Everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you three amazing websites that you can write for or post your video content for, write articles for, post your video content for, write an essay for them and get paid. Okay, the last one is my favorite, and I urge you to watch to the end of this video for you to get all the gist. Okay, the first on my list is listverse.com. Write, get paid. Okay, so you get $100 for writing for them, and the major thing is that this site has a limitation. Okay, the limitation is that you must be a resident of UK, South Africa, USA, and another country for you to get started in this platform. Okay, and also you must have a PayPal account for you to get started. But if you want to try it out, you can use a free VPN and get started with this. Okay, if you want to just go through this, right, get paid, you will get how it works. Okay, it has its content guidelines. Okay, so this is a wonderful website that you can actually make money from if you are ambitious to make money online. The second on my list is Post Now. Okay, Post for Scooper gets your ideas published and paid. Okay, in this platform, you can actually post your news articles, blogs, and videos on Scooper. Okay, you can actually do that. It was limited before to articles alone, but today you can actually upload your video content to it. Okay, another thing is that before you can be able to post your articles, you might has been writing for other article sites. Okay, you must have your work at hand. And if you are a video creator, you must have your video at hand so you can be able to post it there. Okay, so another thing I want you to know is that it is totally free of charge. You don't need to pay anybody for you to get approved in this platform. If you fill in the form correctly, you are going to make it with them. Okay, so you are going to input your full name, your country, the refresh code verification, your phone number. They will send you a code, then your email address, your career, then application type. Are you going to be writing article or are you a video creator? So after that, you are now going to write a description of your video or your article. Okay, your experience. Okay, your video or writing experience. Okay, you can just write you are a contract or a content creator, a video content creator, blah blah blah, so many years. Okay, or you are an article writer in so place, you are a creative writer, you are write for so many places, blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. So after that, you can you choose article. This place will show the sample of your article. Okay, you can upload the sample of your article that is up to 2 MB. Okay, then if it is video creator, you can now post your video link or upload video file. Okay, so this wonderful website is paying creators. Okay, the next on my list is Livingstone Research. This is a wonderful platform, but very strict platform. Okay, it's a very wonderful and at the same time very strict. You can be able to earn up to $20 to $30 per week. To tell you the truth, yes, you can be able to do that in this platform, and there is no restriction. You can start immediately. It is not an article platform but an essay platform. This platform is not an article platform but an essay platform. So it's a wonderful platform that you will wish to work with. Okay, and if you want to learn one-on-one on how to get started with this platform, you can DM me. Okay, you are not learning alone about Livingstone Research. You can also learn how to write novels. Okay, so this is one of my friend that has gotten job in Livingstone Research. So if you want to be making this kind of money, you can DM me, okay? If you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.